Good afternoon. I am Commander Dunna Raja Rao, retired naval officer. She is my wife, Dunna Raja Rao. She had a knee pains for a long time, almost 9 years. She was suffering from that and consumed lot of medicine, various types of medicines. There was no recovery. So lastly, we came to know Dr. Suresh Mahanti, MD Orthopedio. He is operating knees and a good surgeon. Then we consulted him through ECHS facility. This hospital is empaneled to ECHS facility. So Dr. Suresh Mahanti has conducted operation for both the knees and replaced with the implants. Thereafter, we were here for some time, 6 days. Post-operation care also was wonderfully taken. Then we came after 15 days. There was no problem at all and no infection took place. Again, after 1 month, we came and shown to the doctor. Thereafter, she, without any support, able to walk after 1 month. Then third month, this is the third month we came again to show to the doctor, review. And absolutely, doctor said she is fine. My wife also very happily could say that doctor has done very wonderful job and wonderful operation. And we are really grateful and thankful to the Dr. Suresh Mahanti and also GEMS Hospital who has also done this job. She is not feeling any pain in her knees and able to walk morning 45 minutes, evening also 30 minutes. She is able to conduct all her domestic jobs happily, and we are thankful to Dr. Mahanti once again and to the hospital who has facilitated all the requirements for us. Thank you very much.